Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Outlook tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to set Outlook as default mail client. This is actually quite simple and I don't even have to go into Outlook. I am here on the Windows desktop and now I go to the search and enter default. The default apps are already suggested to me here, and if I click on it, I can now select the default apps again. Up here I can already find the settings for the emails and we can see that Thunderbird is currently set. I click on Thunderbird and can now select Outlook from the list. As you can see, I can currently choose from two Outlook versions, the classic Outlook and the new Outlook. Since I find the new Outlook design ugly as hell, I choose the classic Outlook for this tutorial. And as soon as I have clicked on it, Outlook is already set as the default app. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!